shouting a shout at the furthest.
Oh, you feel the heat, eh? Oh, it's nice and warm. I like that. Oh, yeah.
Come on, keep shouting.
Come on! Picture. Must
have
Oh, yeah.
and intensity. Walking down the grass. Going even further than ever before.
Jeez, he's gone out
His
there.
helmet's not
Oh, he started to go on fire
Oh,
now.
he
He
is on
started to go
fire.
on fire.
But he's still
What's it there
going.
for?
He's never done
Oh,
a
you know,
turnaround
it's just
before.
a punk.
No, he saw that, you see. That's why they're squaring the water on him, so he doesn't like.
Gonna be a half marathon by the time he finishes. Oh, he's back
he's
on
on fire.
fire. I've never seen that before, but let's cool it down. Yeah, you can clap your hands a bit if you want. But is he okay?
So I'm on fire too.
Fire started like
As he
this.
stands up, make some noise!
Hey!
Look at him, he's smoking! Unbelievable! Pizza! He normally just gets to the cars. Make some noise for Stevie! Yes, brilliant! Twice, more than twice as far. Should we give them one more go? Any good pictures? On your hands, can you stop?
Dude, you're really fun. You can see him there. Stop going there. Be prepared.
Apologies for the coalition, apologies for getting that wrong. Now once all the riders and drivers go back and get
Probably
parked
just
up,
bearing that, yeah.
we're going to leave one big brave man out on a dirty yellow bike. Why is it dirty? Because it's covered in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make some noise! Jump higher! Jump very high! Make some noise! Gary turns around and hits that ramp. Excellent! A looking man. Vertical, legs behind him, bars 10 full cross. Josh. And then Taylor from Josh jumping a little bit to the left there. Just didn't want to risk it. Here comes Gary! Double-handed man, brilliant! Second gear to hit this one, man, flat out. He was going for a Superman, but the front end was a little bit too high. What's Gary gonna do? Yeah!
know.
These are the last couple of stops
try it.
before the intermission. We have a 15-minute turnaround, so you can nip to the toilet, or go for catering, or go for posters and t-shirts. Here he goes! 3, 2, 1! Yes! Give him a round of applause! That is incredibly hard to do. Should we do it again? You're as bad as it. Let's count it down from 5. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No,
hands.
Oh, you right, man. Need a verse.
Be okay? This should be alright. If he hit him with his head, it would have bounced back off. We'll just check he's okay. Are you okay, mate? Just stop in time. I'm really glad to see he's bigger than you for that man. Here we go! 3, 2, last time! Step
One leg
through
can't
one
count.
foot and make some noise for Ben! Give him a cheer and a wave as he comes around, everybody! Jumping and turning sideways, you name it, he can do it. Now my juices are starting to flow now, my jazz juices. I want to have a good juice.
He's what jumping we are. Can't see him jumping at. Near that
My
bit.
personal driver, Martin, is bringing out the pilot. He missed it again. What are you doing? You going that way? Where, to the pub? TGI Fridays. That way, traffic lights turn left, left again. Is that right? Okay. But you're not going up the ramp, are you? If the people want to see it. Boys and girls, shall we go ramp to ramp with the pilot?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
Do you want to see him hurt himself? You said yes, Mum, if you didn't hear.
Look at him mud in the truck.
Where that?
Right, let's count him
So I
down
jump out black?
for an underpipe.
Fine moving!
Here we go. 5. No, he's backing up. He's backing up. It's looking serious. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's how we moved it, man.
He's a waste. Is he a waste of time? Hang on, what's going on? Hang on. He's having a chat. Glenn? I think he's saying, Glenn, shall I go for it? Or are you buying the first round in the pub tonight and I'll have a bag of crisps this time? I think he's saying.
For that?
Technical tilting, yes.
Oh, here we go. Only got 5 minutes to do it.
All right, mate. The excuse of the day is the boss. I'll try it, but I don't think I'll be able to stop. Stevie's bounce now backed up. The monster took stairs and big cushion. Well, hang on. If he strapped himself in, that looks good. If that visor comes down, he means business. Check it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give him a round of applause. Where the accommodation on the side is, or if you're looking from the other side, where that floor of the ramp is, that's where they need to land. Not on the top, not on the bottom. Perfect. Not too fine for a little bit too far. Clap your hands again for the riders. Watch the wheels. Will they move more? Yes, they are. The gap gets bigger. He went about 7 to 8 feet that time. If you watch Gary on side, either down the back brake, stops, or rev in the air, it makes the bike more or under balance. That makes the bike dive down. Watch. There's the rev. Back brake. There's the dive. Clap your hands for Gary and Josh. They want a second run into the new gap. These are warm-up jumps by the way. Hey! That's called a tailwind. So she's just leaving the ramp now, landing very comfy. Now watch Gary. Max can't hear him, but Max can see where he's parked. And it gets bigger.
Jesus.
A little bit further than they wanted, just to make sure. 10, 20, 30, 50. This is possibly 50 to 55 feet to safe landing area. Josh, look at the height! And landing perfect.
How high you wouldn't get there?
Here comes Gary. Fingers on your cameras, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect landing. Make some noise.